Hi guys, it's yours truly Jeremiah Wosu, the CEO of Jerry's Forest Academy. So today I'll be taking you guys on briefly on the topic Introduction to Forex Trading. Okay, there's need for you all to learn, to know what forex trading is all about as you embark on this journey towards gaining mastery, where you can profitably trade this financial market and make money for yourselves. Okay, so speaking about forex trading. Um, there's a whole lot for you to learn. And the reason why before I could start this teaching, I will encourage you all to please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done it. Turn on the notification bell, because I'll be releasing more of these videos simultaneously. Videos will be coming out on all there is to know about forex trading, so you could trade and be more profitable when it comes to trading, right? All right, so without wasting much time, let's dive into the business of forex trading. As you can see, forex has to do with money. That's what you can see on the screen. So forex trading, you know, as you all know, the FOR there means foreign, while the EX means exchange. That's where the word is gotten, forex. Okay, that's where it's been gotten from, forex trading. Now it has to do with foreign exchange, and it's foreign exchange, being able to trade this, this world's financial market. All right, being able to trade and trade profitably. And when we talk about forex trading, it involves buying and selling. Of course, before you could sell, there must be a buyer. Before you could buy, there must be a seller. Okay, so forex trading has to do with being able to trade country currencies. Okay, country pairs. And it's not just limited to just country pairs. You could trade stocks, commodity. You could trade features in crypto. Okay, so it involves the buying and selling of these commodities, and it is done across the bar. The reason why it is called across the bar is very simple. It's because there is no need for a physical presence. I don't need to come meet you before I could trade. You don't need to come and meet me before you could trade. You can be at your comfort zone and trade and make money for yourselves. That's why it is called, it is regarded as across the bar or counter bar. Okay. All right. So that being said about the introduction to forex, I want you to also know that when we talk about forex, so many persons come together to trade this forex and make money for themselves. It's not just you and I. You and I is regarded as traders. You can see the traders here, all right? And we are regarded as retail traders. Why we are called retail traders is because we come in with just little amounts of money to come and trade with, as compared to you know, these other persons like governments. You can see here over here is government. Of course, government. They pull large amounts of money resources into this financial market, and it is why it is regarded as the world's largest market. Why? Because in a day, over 3.98 trillion naira is being traded in this financial market. That's why it is regarded as the world's largest financial market. Trillions of naira is being transacted daily in it. So this makes it so powerful, okay? And that's why there's a lot of money opportunities in it. Government trades, you can see here commercial banks, they also trade, okay? You can see central banks as well, they trade. Corporations like the hedge funds, they also trade. Investment funds, they also trade. And when we talk about forex trading, price actions, okay, it is these people, the government, the commercial bank, central bank, corporations, the hedge funds, investment funds. These are the people, the brain behind those behind price movement, which you see. So, price going up, going down, is on a trend, on a buy, on a sell. They are the pioneer behind this price movement. And why are they? It's simply because they come into this market with large amounts of money, unlike you and I, who are regarded as retail traders, who just come in with little amounts of money to trade and earn a living from it. So this is what makes it so powerful when it comes to forex trading. And that's why the need to being able to learn this skill, this professional skill, is of utmost importance. And that's why this YouTube channel is launched. or being able to teach you all out there how best to trade this market and trade it profitably. Okay. All right. So, speaking about forex trading, remember this is just an introduction I'm giving you guys. There's a whole lot more videos coming out, okay, simultaneously. The reason why I keep emphasizing to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now over here we can see the Pacific, section, because when it comes to trading forex, there are different sections we trade. The Pacific is there, the Asian sections are there, the Europe section, the American section, the New York section, the London section is there, the Chicago, the Tokyo, the Hong Kong, the Frankfurt, the Signal section. These are all different sections are there that people trade, okay, across the world. All right. But then the most commonly traded sections are the New York section, the London section, the Signal sections. Okay, these are the most common sections that people trade: the New York section, the London section, the Tokyo section, and the Signal section. These are the four most commonly traded sections. But then there are other sections. Okay. All right. So talking about currency pair, because in my definition for forex trading, I said, it involves you being able to trade different currency pairs in this financial market. And some of these currency pair is what you have on the screen here. We have the US dollar, the euro dollar, the Japanese yen, the Australian dollar, the Canadian dollar, the New Zealand dollar, the Japanese yen. We also have the other ones like the gold, the US crude oil. These are, and there are other ones, okay? But then these ones that I have on the screen, they are the most commonly traded financial instruments, okay? These are the most commonly traded financial instruments, unlike other ones we have out there. Because why? These ones are less, exotic. They are less volatile as compared to other ones. And since those other ones are not commonly traded, the level of market manipulation there is highly pronounced, is very high as compared to these ones that most persons are trading in. So the chance of all so the level of market manipulations will be lesser, will be minimal over here, okay, in this currency pair. That's why I advise you trade this currency pair, like the euro based currency pair, the US dollar based currency pair, the Great Britain based currency pair as you have on the screen, the AUD, the Australian based currency pair, the Canadian based currency pair, the New Zealand based currency pair, the Japanese based currency pair. Okay, I advise you trade this pair. They are most commonly traded. Okay, but nonetheless, there are other ones also traded. All right. So that being said, we're talking about the forex trading. It involves minimal capital, and for minimal trading accounts. Now, this varies amongst brokers. Okay, the broker you are trading with. There are different brokers. Okay, out there. Now, these brokers, they have their minimum account size that you must open with them if at all you want to trade with them. Some is for some is $100, some is $200, some is $50, some is even $10. In fact, some even have a standard savings account. So this varies amongst trade this varies amongst brokers. So as we progress in my subsequent videos and all, I'll show you guys, or I will inform you guys the most or the best recommended broker that you should be trading with. Okay, that would require minimal investment. And then you can see that it involves minimal time commitment. Now this varies in that this is where having mentorship when it comes to forex trading comes in. And this is where my YouTube channel presents itself as that mentorship avenue for you to learn in order, and also to reduce your learning curve. All right, there are so many knowledge out there that you don't really need about forex trading that are not necessary. Some are even misleading. Okay, but I teach everybody when you stay glued to my YouTube channel, you're going to learn all that it involves forex trading. The time, all there is about forex trading, you're going to learn. That's why I encourage you to subscribe and turn on the notification. notification bell. And also, speaking about the business of forex trading, it requires 3 to 6 hours a day, for you to be able to at least learn and gain mastery. So in summary, you just need, you need to commit time to it, because for you to be good in a thing, of course, you need to commit time, to it. So that's why, there is need for you to commit time in order to gain mastery. And of course, when you are trading forex, I mean, there will be no need for you being an employee or to work in an office. Okay, you become a boss of yourself because you're already making money for yourself. The forex market becomes your ATM machine. That's the power of you being able to know how to trade. And also, trading forex is recession proof. Like during the time of the COVID-19, you know, people were still trading forex, making money for themselves. That's the beauty about forex trading. It's recession proof. Okay, and you don't need to. And I did mention because of the introduction that you can trade, there is a counter, you can trade across the bar, counter trade, in that there is no need for a physical presence, in that the buyer and the seller will need to meet at a place or at a point to transact. There's no need for all that. That's the benefit of you being able to trade forex. Okay, and that was what made forex trading to thrive even during the time of COVID, because there were no need for a physical presence. So you can see that learning forex is very helpful and powerful. Okay, and then you could see that being able to succeed, of course, it requires hard work to be able to gain this professional skill. Okay, so that being said, I want to look at the different categories of traders. Now, when it comes to forex trading, there are different categories of traders. We have the scalpers, we have the day traders, we have the swing traders, and the position traders. There are basically four traders. Now, for the scalpers, these people, they open position and close position within a day, and their aim is just to take small profit and they leave the market. And these traders, these categories of traders, they are regarded as short-term traders. Okay. We then have the day traders. These traders, they open and close position just within a day. Okay, that's why they are regarded as day trader or intraday trader, and they are short-term traders. We then have the swing slash trend line traders. These people open position and they could hold position for days or weeks. That's why they are called swing or trend traders. They could open position and hold onto that position for days and weeks. Okay. And then for position traders, these traders, they are regarded as long-term traders, in that they could open position and hold that position for months, even running to years. That's the power of that's the this category of trader here. They are regarded as long-term traders. So in forex trading, basically, there are four categories of traders: the scalpers, the day trader, the swing slash trend traders, and then the position traders. And then looking at the pros and cons, of course, in life, no matter how good or juicy a thing could be, there's always the benefit and the disadvantage. Okay, like for over here, the benefit of forex trading is that when you master this craft, you could capitalize on exchange rate differences. That's one benefit. You could capitalize on those exchange rate differences and trade and make money for yourself. But then the disadvantage there could be these rates may change unexpectedly and significantly if you don't know how to work with those exchange rates as it comes. Because we have the likes of um, news, because news comes out and influence price movement, like the MSP news, the CPI news, the interest rate news, the unemployment news. They all come out and they influence price movement. But then, as you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you stay glued. As we progress in my subsequent videos, I'll teach you guys how to trade and how you can best position yourself. So also this interest rate, you don't get affected by it. You then have leveraging. The advantage is that you could use leverage for your advantage when whilst trading. Okay, and this leverage is given by your broker. It is your broker who gives you this leverage. And leverage simply means, for example, you have an account size of, let's say, $50. Leveraging simply means your broker could give you opportunity, the window to open a position that is worth 1,000 US dollar. You could open that position, trade and make money for yourself. That's the benefit of leveraging. But then leveraging is a two-edged sword in that it could make somebody and it could mar somebody. If you don't understand what trading is all about, if you don't have the right trading psychology, which I will teach you guys in my subsequent video, if you don't have your right trading, how you can best position or size your position, okay, which I'll be releasing videos as regards that. If you don't have the right trading strategy, all this will influence, make one to leveraging becomes a problem to such an individual. And also, advantage is that one could make money, of course. One could make large amounts of money when it comes to trading. Once one is able to master this craft. And then disadvantage is that it could be risky, of course. It will be risky, and the risk, can be enormous if you don't know how to trade. And that's why this YouTube channel is here for you. We will teach you all that there is about forex trading, and then you can and benefit is that you'll be able to interpret economic data and predict or speculate future price movement. Okay, that's another benefit. So, but then the disadvantage is that you could be one could be could be one may be unable to explain this economic data. Okay, but then that's not a problem as you so turn on the notification bell to this YouTube channel. You're going to learn all that there is about forex trading, how to interpret fundamentals. Okay, the fundamental news, how you can implement it when it comes to your trading. Okay, and then the other opportunities in that you could advantage is that you could trade exotic pairs like your gold, your US crude oil, your BTC, and the likes, and make money for yourselves. Okay, so there's a whole lot when it comes to forex trading there is to know. All right. So as we come to the end of this video, I encourage you all to please subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, like, share, and comment. And you can as well follow me on Facebook at Jerry's Forex Academy. So to this note, I'm wishing you all a very profitable trading journey. And of course, the motto is geared, this YouTube channel is geared towards raising successful and profitable forex traders. Okay? So as always, remember you are just one trade away. I love you.